My name is Juliet Chikoze. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in FCT Abuja. So in today's video, I explained how to make liquid soap. Like, it's a detailed video on how to make liquid soap because a lot of people have been asking me to put them through on how to make liquid soap. I cannot be teaching one person every day, so I said to make a video on how to make it. So whenever I want to make your own liquid soap, just go watch the video over again and over again. You need a big bath. Then secondly, you need a bucket, and this bucket, you can see, I don't know if you can guess, you can see this one is 10 liter because the liquid soap we are doing is 10 liter to give you 15 liter. So you have the one of 5 liter, yes, 5 liter to give you 10 liter, and we have the one of 15 liters to give you 20 liter. But in this particular video I'm making is 10 liters to give you 15 liters. So after this one, you need an extra bucket again. This extra bucket, I don't know if you can see it. I think this one is 7 liter, but what I need here is 5 liter. You can see it down. I don't know if you can see it. It's 5 liter. It's somewhere here down. So total now is 15 liters. Then we need this stick. If you don't have this stick, just go to the market and then you need stick. This one is for turning the liquid soap. Yes. So the next one now, these are the materials you need. This one is number 1. Like, if you're going to get the material for liquid soap, they will number it. There are many, they will number all of them for you. They will number, just tell them that they should number it for you, okay? So it's going to be very easy for you to make. So this one is number 1. This is number 2. You can see it. This is number 2. This is number 3. They all have their uses, so just stay tuned in this video. You see how I'm going to use all of them. So this is number 3. 11. I think this number 10 is perfume. So you can see all of them here. So once you want to go and buy it, tell them they should please number them for you. So before we start now, make sure, I'm going to wash this bath. Make sure the bath is neat, because what you are doing is a liquid soap you use to wash your dishes. So you make sure the bath is neat. The things you're using to wash, to do this liquid soap, make sure they're very, very clean. Okay, so I'm done rinsing the bath. So this one is 10 liters of water, and why this one is 5 liters of water, making it 15 liters. So first of all, what we're going to do, you pour this 5 liter of water first. Okay. After pouring it, then you pick number 1. You look for your number 1. So this number 1, you mix it in 5 liters of water. Guys, please mix this one 5 liters of water first. So as you are pouring, you are turning immediately, please. You keep on turning. See, this water becomes thick. More than 10 minutes. Keep on turning it. So keep turning. So after you have finished turning it, then this player you're having this 10 liter of water, you will now make sure half liter and pour it in. This half liter will make you, when you fed your half liter of water here, then you pour the 5 liter here. When you pour, then you now pour number 2 and number 3 in this place and mix it separately. After mixing, before you now pour it in this number 1. But I'm going to show what I'm going to do now. So after that, this is now, this one is 5 liter, this one is half 5 liters. So you can use the name of course. Let me use this one because the bucket is big. So this is number 2, sorry, this is number 2 and this is number 3. So you mix them together. After mixing properly, before you pour it in number 1. So you mix. Make sure you mix them well before you now pour it here. So keep mixing. So you keep on mixing and mix also. I say 7 minutes is okay. 7 minutes is okay. Just mix it for 7 or 8 minutes. Mix, but make sure you mix it so after that then you now turn it in this number 1. So you keep mixing them. So by the time you finish mixing it well, so the next thing you're going to be mixing is number 4 and number 7. Put them inside here. Well, so the next one will be mixing number 5. This is number 5 and number 6. This one is our remaining 5 liters of water. So we'll just fetch little from inside and pour here, so we can mix what we want to mix. We're not adding extra water from this many 5 liter. We used to do anything you want to do now. So you're not putting, you can put number 6 first, you can put number 5 first, you know what you want to do. Just put the both of them inside. Then this is number 6. This number 6 just is looks like rice. It's kind of 6. I prefer doing this liquid soap outside the house. Okay. There are some ones that have choking smell, so just do it outside the compound. Please, this one you mix it for more than even 10 minutes. Mix it well so this rice will dissolve properly. Okay, please remember I say use 2 hands, don't use 1 hand. Because of the video I'm using 1 hand, guys. Please use 2 hands so you can mix well. So you see it is now. That is the number 4 and 5. So the next thing we're going to do, we will now transfer this one into this number 1.